So these came or arrived last night. So the Lamys, and these one got delivered yesterday. So I thought, like, while I'm working from home, thought I could just do a little bit of unboxing. So this one is from Pulp Addiction. It's the avocado. Sorry, I think it's not focusing. There you go. It's the avocado ink from Robert Oster. Yeah, and then I got myself the chocolate one, Robert Oster as well, and this one is the cherry blossom. Yeah, and I got myself just a sample of the Van Diemen's Here Kitty Kitty, and I will explain my logic in ordering this ink in a bit. All right, so let's start probably with this Esterbrook item. Let me open it. It's it's an Esterbrook pen case. I've been wanting one for the longest time. Like, I couldn't afford it before. So yeah, I'm so happy that I have one now. So now, why I got this 3 pen case, you may ask, is because I want to put one of these Coffee Monsters Co. in here to make sure I take care of it. Oops. Alright, so if you haven't seen this box yet, I'll just give you a quick tour now. Yeah, it's a drawer, and that's that. Again, this is from Coffee Monsters Co. The Coffee Monsters Co. Helen, who's in the planner community, so it's important for me to planner and journal community, so it's important for me to have her pen. This is a collaboration with Esterbrook. Oh my gosh, I wonder what, because the where you hold the pen, it's kind of different for each one. It's unique, so just seeing it from this angle, like it looks like I'll have a brown, a little bit of pink, gray. Yeah. Oh my god, they're really good. Wow, I'm so happy with this combination. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's like coffee for real. I'm so sorry, my voice is changing, but I'm so... And look at that smiley thing, if you can see. Oh no, I can't see. There you go, and that's better. It has a smiley face. Her her character in her, basically it's this one, right? Yes, I'll open that in a bit, but yeah, that's so pretty. Looks like a marble cake. Sorry, I'm a dessert person. Oh, it's like it has that, I don't know what to call it, but anyway, it belongs here. I've been imagining this last night, like how I'm gonna set it up, and then since I have beige and I ordered a pink one of Lamy. I like Lamy because of how this triangle bit works out for me really well. This one is in extra fine. I thought I got this in ultra extra fine. Anyway, that's fine also. And I forgot what I got for the Esterbrook one. This is in fine, I believe. Yeah, I got this in fine. And I just love matching the color combinations. And this is the green one. So basically my logic in having this kind of pens is that, okay, so I usually have actually purple and pink, but then I've been in a green color lately, so I wanted to put green, and that will be for the avocado one, and pink would be the cherry blossom one, and then the Coffee Monsters Co would have the chocolate. So I'll have brown, green, and pink. Pink would be mostly for the header. I'll be writing the body of the text whenever I journal in brown, and then green would be for the header as well, or it depends. Like all three of them can be in the body of the header, but one can only be for the header, if that makes sense. Okay, so again, this can be for the body of the text, this can be from the body of the text, this can be for the body of the text, but these two are the only ones that can be used for the header or the titles, right? So that's how my logic is. And now we can close this one, and ta-da! It's so pretty. And this is the blotting sheet. So this is my first time using a blotting sheet. Apparently you use it to put it over your notebook. I'll demo it later on. But yeah, I'm so happy with this one. Okay, so it came with stickers and also a sample cartridge and stickers. Yeah, and if you lift this one, you get something like a sleeping emojis. I'm not really sure what you call them, but yeah, I'm still new with the Coffee Monsters Co. I've only ordered from them once. And let's see, is there anything in here? It says Esterbrook. Hey, activate the pen. I didn't know that, but I wonder what's gonna happen once I activate the pen. Yes, that's that. And we'll put them back in. I don't know if I put that in order. So that's that, that's that, and that's that. And this one is the ink. Now I have to open it. I like this one, so I might just cut it out. And here's the ink. Oh, it's glass. It looks plastic in the videos that I've watched. That's so cool. It reminds me of boba. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 inks. Ooh, I'm missing one more unboxing. I wonder what's in it. Let's put it back. Sorry. I really like this contraption. Alright, so maybe I'll put it here. Yeah. Okay, so this one more ink I forgot. This one is out, since it has like shimmer or glitters, I'll be using like a glass pen on that one. So this black, I already told you, this Lamy one is a glossy Lamy one. It reminded me of, you know, like the piano. Oh, I love this one so much. And because I want to use it with my new sorry, I'm just on the side. Right, so I want to use it with my notebook for work. So this is the TSL leather one, and I want to use it. I want to change this one to black now, but let's see. So basically I want a neutral pen for work, something that doesn't really attract. Oh, I'm scared to do that. That doesn't attract attention much. Oh, okay, I'll just do it like this then. But the thing is, with the vanishing point, oh, maybe I don't have to push it much, so just like that, it sticks anyway, right? So if I close it, it's fine. It's not fine. Let's see again. Maybe. Why is the world so hard? Why can't I make? Should I put it in here? Why did I break it already? If I do that really close, no, it won't close, but it works with the vanishing point so well. But the thing is, I don't like this anymore because it's winter here in Australia and it's so cold. See, it can even be pushed down so smoothly, and I can close it. I don't have a choice but to use the vanishing point. Maybe it's time to use the vanishing point. I mean, maybe it's another reason for me to buy the vanishing point in resin. Is that what you call it? Not sure, but yeah. And a black one of the Stationery one too. I want everything to be matchy matchy. Alright, so okay, that's not how I imagine it to be, but anyway, I'm in a black red moment recently. Yeah, I need to remove the blue. But anyways, you can see it's so good, right? So I got this one from Amazon. It's a really good leather, to be honest. I like it more than my Louis Carmen one. It's so nice. I love how it looks. This is fuchsia. This is not red, but you get what I mean. It works. It works. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll edit this better than the last ones that I've filmed, and hopefully I'll include the audio this time around. Thank you again. Bye. Bye.